And it's UTT. The engine here in the rear end, of course. Sweet little car. Datum Pantera. Powered by Ford. So the Italian car with American muscles. Wow. Even with wooden trim. Beautiful. Nice wheels. Beautiful. Ford Capri Mark 1. But this one here is from South Africa. And do you know how I can tell? It is because this is the V8. So only in South Africa they've produced the V8. It's also a right-hand drive. And it's produced by this one here, Piranha. Oh, beautiful. Here, right-hand drive. Also with the Piranha badge on the steering wheel here as well. Absolutely stunning. From South Africa with love. So here the Volkswagen Jetta Mark II of my friend Tobias. He has some nice wheels. And he has the same problem as I. Brand new, some little rust. He's doing it during winter time. He just told me so. While I'm doing it, well, now in summer because the rust is more on mine than at his. BMW 5 Series, maybe an Alpina. Yeah, most probably. M30 Turbo. Oh, very clean. Petrol hard. Yeah, wow. Austin Healey MK2. It's a 3000 MK2. MK Mark II, of course. Beautiful color. Left-hand drive. Wow, take a look at this. Austin Healey 3000. And there is a Beetle 1303 Cabriolet. Ole ole Cabriolet. Oh, stunning color. I'm absolutely loving blue metallic. If you haven't heard that already, now you know. So what is this here? Lotus.
Ich hab auch keinen Platz, aber ich habe auch nur Autos. Ja. Ich muss deswegen habe ich keinen.
Ich sehe ab und zu ja. Da wo ihr an Weihnachten, hey, da habe ich schon gedacht, mein Pferd, mein Auto, da hat sich einer wie der andere überboten in seine Möglichkeit. Dann habe ich gedacht, scheiße. Und da hätte ich jetzt mal.
I only know it's a Lotus, or at least the engine is from Lotus, but I don't know the car. Here's another Renault 4 F4, so the craftsman car, 1979, 8,999. So give him 9,000 euros and you're getting €1 back. That's a deal. So, wow, Pontiac Firebird. So yes, we also love American cars. BMW Z3 is also very popular. Alfa Romeo, Spider, most likely the Skoda Trunga. Let's find out. Yep. Skoda Trunga. So the second series. Also really a beautiful car. Very classic design. Stunning Chevy Camaro RS. Ah, what a color. What a color. Oh, a Golf Mark III GL. I've learned to drive on one like this. Very original, even the wheels. Very cool. But now back to the Camaro. Wow. What a wonderful rear end. Pontiac Firebird. And this one here, don't know, is it a GTO? No, it's a Tempest, I'm just seeing it. Now take a look here. Beautiful. And here now, Tempest Custom. 326 cubic inch. Firebird. It's on fire. Wow. It's also something that was only in 1 year, this side marker. So as that stands 68, so then most likely this one is from 1968. So Triumph Spitfire, I'm sure I filmed this one already, this one for sure. Westfield SEI. Here's another Morgan. Oh. Also a dream car. Seeing this speedometer, I'm guessing it's in +8. And you. +8. So Westfield and the Spitfire. Beautiful pale blue Beetle 1303. This one here is from the fake, from the Gulf racing team, while I am from the Calf racing team. The only original is the Calf racing. Just kidding. So, Porsche G model, Targa, also stunning. Absolutely loving these Targas with these bubble windows. What an amazing design. Mercedes-Benz W116 S-Class, probably an SE. Brown metallic paint, wow. Rock wheels, wonderful. Another S-Class, most likely W108 or 109 if it's a 300. No, 280 SE. I'm most likely seeing a 280, so W108. Ah, also beautiful. Another Pontiac. And a siren in the background. A little kid has to leave the trolley and doesn't like it. Here's a little bee. Oh, that's a nice color. Also a blue metallic. This is a Grand M, maybe. I don't know how these are called. Maybe I can find out somewhere. No, doesn't stand anything. So, nope, only Pontiac.